What's up, guys? I'm just gonna get right into the video. You already know what it is. I'm going to be showing you how to get some quick money so that you can actually buy gifts on Christmas. So you're gonna download Swagbucks, link in the description. If you want, you can use the web version. They have a website. You can do it on your laptop, PC, whatever. But I like the app more. So here you can earn by watching. Every 6 videos you get rewarded like 1 or 2 swag bucks, which isn't that much. You can do polls, I mean surveys. There's like a daily poll that you can do. Let me just do it right now. Natural page, blah blah blah. Croissants. Pies are also good, but I like them all. But okay, so I just got ordered 1 swag bucks. Look at that. I got 19 now. So I can go back to gold surveys. Surveys, they give you like a ton of swag bucks. Look at that. And right there, it takes about how long it's gonna tell you about how long it's gonna take for you to get your swag bucks. So you see this is like 6 minutes. I like doing the short ones. I'd never go above 10 minutes because it's just too long. But yeah, they're pretty cool. There's a few of them that reward you like a lot, but those you need to like get friends to do them with you, and it's gonna take like more than a few days. The next way is by shopping. You get right there at Best Buy by shopping online. I'm pretty sure, yeah, online and in store, and yeah, you can shop online and in store. So online, it tells you how much swag bucks per dollar you spent. And right here, 8 swag bucks per $1. And that's good price for Amazon. So then there's Discover where you can like download apps and like get free trials for stuff and earn. I've done one of these before, but that's not really what I'm into. And here you can refer a friend and earn, which is like the easiest thing to do, but you really need to have friends that want to do this. So they say right here, you invite a friend, they earn 150, you earn 15 out of that. On the website, if you get your website link, when your friends earn like 300, you get 300 too. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I like the website version more. Here it doesn't really tell you that, but I'm pretty sure it's the same link. If not, just go to the website and get it from there, because that gives you more money. And now there's what you guys probably been waiting for. How can you redeem this? Well, you can get it in gift cards, and you have PayPal gift cards, freaking Visa, Amazon, and a bunch of stuff. There's like a ton. See, there's even up to 100. You can even get 100. So let me just 1 to 5. So you see, a $5 Amazon gift card is 500 swag bucks. The best way to get money using this is to shop online. That's the best way. But surveys are also pretty good. So you can get Walmart, Amazon, iTunes, Target, Starbucks, PayPal, eBay, Gambit, Dunkin' Donuts, just a bunch of stuff. Burger King, Domino's, Home Depot. So it's just a pretty solid way to earn some money. So why don't you guys go use the link in the description below and get 10%. I really would appreciate that. And I hope you guys learned something new from this. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling me if you found another way to make money, to earn money. So see y'all guys later. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, also, there's like swag codes that give you some swag bucks. Most of them are like Facebook and stuff, but yeah, whatever. Uh, See y'all later.